Hawkins bottom assessment. So this is for us to determine the grading of your cough and as well as to help you to clear your lungs and clear phlegm from your chest in order for you to release it. And after that, we will be assessing the color, odor, amount, and the texture of your phlegms to determine if you have any respiratory tract infection or lung-related disorders. So this assessment will require skin-to-skin contact instead of ear using. Okay, sir, so let's start. So as I said earlier, I will first teach you the coughing technique, which is the best way for you to clear your lungs and release phlegm from your chest. So first, I want you to sit down straight while put your back against the back of the chair while maintaining your chest out. Then start with the 3 deep breaths while I'm going to place my hand on your ribs, and I want you to breathe in my hands. Okay? So as you breathe, kindly look slightly on your side so that the air that you exhale will not go towards you. Okay? So now, sir, kindly take a deep breath and release the air slowly. Okay, good. So, you will repeat it, but now kindly use your belly and breathing in. So, do not raise your shoulders while breathing. And release the air slowly and gently. Okay? So, breathe in now. Okay, good. And another one. Good. Now you can take a couple of relaxed breaths. So, now are you comfortable? Yes.
A few moments later.
Now, let's take 3 more breaths and then I will teach you the count. Okay? So, kindly breathe in. Yes. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, sir. So now for the cough, kindly take a half breathing and then release it out hardly, long as you can, and try not to cough. Okay? Sir, kindly do it now. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So now we will be doing this for the second time around, but this time try not to bend forward. Okay? So kindly do it. Okay, sir. Good. So here is the tissue. So release your phlegm for the examination.
A few moments later.
Okay, sir. So based on the result of this assessment, so you have a functional grade of cough, which means it's normal. And regarding your phlegm, so the color, odor, amount, and texture of your phlegm was all normal. So you can use this technique at home if needed. So you can do this at least 2 times in a row to help you to be comfortable in your breathing. So do you have any questions, clarifications? Okay, sir. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you for